Hello everyone. Today we'll see what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, it is a branch of computer science which focuses on developing the systems capable of performing the tasks that typically require human intelligence. And these tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception and the language understanding. So we have two definitions here. According to Patterson, artificial intelligence, it is a branch of computer science which deals with the study and the creation of computer systems which exhibit some form of intelligence. And according to McDermott, AI is the study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. So the key aspects of the artificial intelligence are the machine learning, then natural language processing, computer vision, robotics and expert systems. Machine learning, here the artificial intelligence systems learn from the data to make predictions and improve over the time. And natural language processing, here the artificial intelligence understands and processes the human language. For example, you have chatbots, then voice assistants. And computer vision, here the AI interprets and analyzes the images and the videos. And robotics, AI-driven robots that performs a complex task. And expert systems, here the artificial intelligence mimics human expertise for decision making in field like medicine and finance. Then you have the impact of the artificial intelligence is on healthcare, education, automation, and the robotics. So next is artificial intelligence. It is the creation of the software which has an intuitive decision making ability, and here uh, this will mimic the human intelligence, that is AI performance, or AI will perform the task which will require thinking, learning and the decision making. So it will mimic as if humans. And next is the self-learning adaptation, where the artificial intelligence, it will improve over the time using the machine learning and the deep learning. And next is the problem solving ability, where the AI analyzes the complex situations and provides solutions based on the data. And automation and efficiency, here the artificial intelligence, it will reduce the human effort by automating a repetitive task. Okay, and it will increase the productivity. So here artificial intelligence, it is a combination of artificial, that is a man-made, and the intelligence, that is the thinking power. Next is these are the applications of the AI. First is the chatbot and the virtual assistants. For examples are the Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. These all are the chatbots and the virtual assistants. Then you have the AI in healthcare, that is diagnosing the diseases and personalized treatment plans. Then you have self-driving cars. Here the Tesla's autopilot for autonomous navigation will be used. That is for the road safety. And then you have AI in finance, that is it is used for fraud detection and the automated trading. And you have smart manufacturing, that is AI powered robots will be used in the industries in order to process the production and the quality control. Then this is the history of the artificial intelligence. So here in 1956, the term artificial intelligence was first proposed by John McCarthy in the article A Proposal for Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. And this marked the official beginning of the artificial intelligence as a research field. Then in the year 1950, Alan Turing introduced the Turing test to determine machine learning. And in 1958, Lisp language developed It was developed by the McCarthy, and the first programming language for AI was created by John. And then in 1963, it was the start of the US Department of Defense advanced research project in order to develop the AI applications. And in 1970s, first expert system was developed or created for industrial decision making. And in 1972, Prolog programming language revealed widely used in AI research. And you have some more, like in 1986, AI based hardware sales, it was reached up to $425 million, showing the commercial interest in the artificial intelligence. And in the year 1990, AI system defeated a human chess master, demonstrating the AI's potential in strategy and the decision making. Okay, and this is the comparison between of programs with and without artificial intelligence. So coming to the definitions, program without AI, it uses the predefined rules and the logic to execute the task, whereas program with AI, it uses the intelligent algorithms in order to learn and adapt. Okay, then next you have the data handling. Okay, uh, program without AI uses large database with fixed operations, whereas program with AI, these will use a large knowledge database that evolves over the time. Then you have search method. Program without AI, these will follow algorithmic search methods, that is a fixed sequences of steps. Okay, whereas the programming with AI, these will use the heuristic search methods, that is intelligent guessing and the pattern recognition. Then you have adaptability, where the program without AI cannot learn from new data or experiences, and program with AI, it can learn, improve and make intelligent decisions over the time. Next is the decision making. So program without AI, this cannot these will work based on the strict programmed rules, whereas program with AI, these uses reasoning and logic to handle new situations. Example is for program without AI, a calculator, it follows fixed arithmetic operations, and for program with AI is a chatbot learns and adapts to the user queries over the time. Okay, this is the comparison of program with AI and without AI. This is in detail. Then you have types of knowledge in AI. So knowledge is nothing but the information which can be used to perform a particular task. And in artificial intelligence, knowledge is classified into different types based on how it is represented and used. So the first is the procedural or the operational knowledge, where it defines, that is the knowledge defines the steps or the procedures to perform a task. And example are the recipe instructions, then self-driving car algorithms. And next is the declarative or the relational knowledge, where knowledge represents facts, relationships and rules about the world. Example are the database, relationships and the knowledge graphs. Then heuristic knowledge, here it is rules of thumb knowledge, and it is based on the experience, intuition and the expert decision making. Example is the medical diagnosis systems and the chess playing artificial intelligence. Then these are the scopes of the artificial intelligence. First is the games. Like AI, it will enhance computer gaming by enabling intelligent decision making in the opponents. Example is chess playing AI, which is also called as the Deep Blue. Then you have strategy games, AlphaGo, and AI in video game. Then next is the natural language processing, where the artificial intelligence enables the computers to understand, interpret and generate human language. Example is the chatbots like ChatGPT, Alexa and Siri, and the language translations like Google Translate and sentiment analysis. And next you have vision and speech processing, where the artificial intelligence is used for image recognition, facial recognition, and the speech processing. Example is the face unlock in the smartphones, then AI powered virtual assistants, and voice to text transcriptions. Next is expert systems, where the AI powered decision making systems will mimic human expertise in specialized fields. For example, medical diagnosis systems, then you have financial advisory systems and legal expert systems. Next is the robotics, where this AI is integrated into robots for automation, industrial tasks, and autonomous decision making. Example is the self-driving cars, industrial robots, and AI-powered humanoid robots. Next is the theorem proving. Next point is theorem proving, where the AI is used in mathematical and logical theorem proving, automating complex problem solving. Example is the automated reasoning systems, then AI in formal verification and AI in symbolic computation. Okay, so these are the scopes of AI. Next is the relation between AI, ML, and the deep learning, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the deep learning. So here, uh, this artificial intelligence, it is the broadest fields and it aims to simulate the human intelligence, whereas ML, it is a subset of the artificial intelligence and it will focuses on the learning from the data. And DL, that is a deep learning, it is a subset of the machine learning. It uses the deep neural networks for complex tasks. Okay, so artificial intelligence, it is a broad field of computer science. It is focused on creating machines which can simulate human intelligence. And machine learning, it is a subset of the artificial intelligence which allow the machines to learn from the data and improve the performance over the time without being explicitly programmed. And deep learning, it is a subset of the machine learning which will use artificial neural networks to process complex patterns in large data sets. Fine. Next is machine learning characteristics, types, and applications. So here machine learning, it is a subset of the artificial learning. Machine learning, it is a subset of the artificial intelligence which will enable machines to learn from data and make decisions based on experience rather than explicitly programming. And the key characteristics are data driven, that is it learns from the historical data and improves with experience. Then next characteristic is adaptive, that is it will adjust and updates itself as new data is introduced. And third point is automated decision making, where it will reduces human intervention in complex problem solving. Then you have types of machine learning, that is the supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So supervised learning, here this model learns from the labeled data, that is the input and the output pairs. Example is the email spam detection, then fraud detection, and image classification. And unsupervised learning, it identifies the hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Example is the customer segmentation, then you have anomaly detection. And reinforcement learning, this model will learn by trial and error and gets rewards for correct actions. Example is the self-driving cars, then robotics, and game artificial intelligence. So these are some of the applications here: email spam detection, fraud detection, self-driving cars, and the robotics. And these are the characteristics and these are the types of the machine learning. Next you have deep learning. So deep learning, it is a subset of the machine learning which uses the artificial neural networks, ANNs, in order to learn the patterns automatically without human intervention. Okay, and the key characteristics are the multi-layered neural networks which uses multiple layers, that is the input, hidden, and the output layers in order to process the data. And automatic feature extraction, which learns relevant features without human supervision. Then next is large data and high computing power, that is it needs big data and the GPUs for processings. And high accuracy, that is it outperforms the traditional machine learning in tasks like image recognition, speech processing, and the natural language processing. So here the deep learning, it will work on the raw data input, that is images, text, or speech data. It is fed into the model. Then next stage is the feature extraction, where the model automatically learns the patterns in the data. After that, you have neural network processing, where each layer refines the understanding of the data. And last is the decision making, where the final layer predicts the outcome, that is the classification, recognition, etc. And here the applications are the computer vision, that is facial recognition, medical imaging. Then next is the natural language processing, that is here chatbots, then speech recognition, that is a Google Assistant, Siri are being used. And then you have autonomous vehicles, that is the self-driving cars, Tesla, for example, Tesla. Then you have healthcare, where diseases will be detected, then drug discovery will be done. Okay. So these are some of the applications, processes, and the characteristics of the deep learning. Next, we have artificial intelligence role in the industry 4.0. So here, the key components are the human-machine interaction, where the artificial intelligence enhances the collaboration between the humans and the machines. Then next is a cyber-physical system, which integrates the physical and the digital system for automation. Then you have cloud and cognitive computing, where the AI-driven data analysis and the decision making is done. And last is the IoT and industrial IoT, where the connected devices for real-time monitoring and control are used. Next is you have some AI applications, that is the predictive maintenance and automated quality control, supply chain optimization. Okay, and the benefits are machine safety, that is AI enhances the workplace safety by detecting the hazards. Then you have efficient product life cycle, where AI it will accelerate product design, testing, and the manufacturing. Then you have optimized manufacturing processes, where the AI driven automation improves the speed and the accuracy. And last is the energy efficiency, that is AI reduces the energy consumption by optimizing production workflows. Okay. So next is AI integration in IIoT, that is the industrial IoT. And here there are roles, applications, and the industries. So here the key roles are machine to machine communication, where the AI enables the machines and equipments to relay information and self optimize. The next is the data driven decision making, where the AI it will help industries process large scale machine generated data for insights. Then you have automation and robotics, where the AI powered robots and smart systems improve the productivity. Okay, examples are the uh, computer vision, that is detection, defect detection, quality control in manufacturing. Then you have robotics and automations, that is AI powered industrial robots for precision tasks. Then you have natural language processing, where voice enabled machine control and monitoring is used. Then you have machine learning and the deep learning. Then you have reinforcement learning. Okay, these are the examples. And some of the use cases of artificial intelligence in industrial IoT are the manufacturing, then you have healthcare, agriculture, retail, and the finance. Next is the challenges of artificial intelligence in industrial IoT. First is the connecting devices. The first challenge is connecting devices, where you have interoperability issues, that is different IoT devices use different protocols and standards, and makes the integration difficult. So you have latency and bandwidth constraints, that is the real-time AI processing requires high-speed networks. Next is the understanding the data, that is first is the data overload, where the industrial IoT generates massive amount of data and it makes the processing and the filtering complex. Then you have data control and the consistency, where the data is unstructured, noisy, and you will be having sometimes incomplete data, which will affect the AI model accuracy. Then you have the training AI models, where you have lack of labeled data, that is AI needs accurate labeled data sets for training, which can be scarce. And you have computational power, that is the training of the deep learning model requires high perform GPUs and cloud computing. Next challenge is making AI actionable. That is, first under this is decision making complexity, where AI must convert the insights into real time automated actions. And security and privacy task is handling the sensitive industrial data, which will raise concern over the cybersecurity threats. These are some of the advantages of the AI in industrial IoT. First is it increases the efficiency, where AI driven automation reduces the human intervention and speeds up the industrial processes. Then you have predictive analytics, which optimizes the machine performance and prevents the downtime. Then you have saves cost, that is it will reduce the operational expenses by minimizing the energy consumption and the resource wastage, and it will prevent the costly machine failures through predictive maintenance. Next is the it will improve the security, that is AI powered cybersecurity systems detect and prevent anomalies in industrial networks and enhances the physical security with AI based access control and surveillance. Then next is the boosting the resource utilization, that is here the intelligent scheduling and the production planning, it will improve the resource allocation, and AI will help the industries to adapt changing demands and reducing the material waste. Okay, and you have augment performance, that is AI enhances the decision making by analyzing the real time data, and it will optimize the supply chain management, and it will reduce the relays and the inefficiencies. Then next you have AI transformative role in the agriculture. Okay, so here you have the first application as supply chain efficiency, where AI will optimize the logistic optimization. Okay, and it will reduce waste and transport cost. And here example is Gobasco artificial intelligence, which enhances the agricultural supply chain management using the AI powered insights. Then you have precision agriculture, where the AI driven smart farming ensures the optimal use of water, fertilizers and the pesticides. And here example is Microsoft India's AI based sowing app. So here it will provide the data driven sowing recommendation to the farmers. Next is the crop and soil monitoring, where the AI powered drones and the sensors will analyze soil health, crop conditions and the pest infestations. Example here are the Cropin's smart farm solution, which uses the AI for real time crop monitoring and the yield prediction. Then you have Intello Lab, where AI based crop health monitoring is used to detect the early diseases in the plants. Then you have AI's role in the education, that is AI's transformative role in education. First is providing immersive technology in the classroom. Okay, here AI powered virtual reality and the augmented reality will create interactive learning environments and smart learning systems by learning, that is uses for it uses AI for adaptive learning and experiences. Then you have making study programs more interesting and engaging. So here AI personalizes the learning based on student strengths and weakness, and AI powered chatbots and the virtual tutors will provide the real time assistance. Then you have improving student retention rate, that is AI will identify at-risk students and it will provide early intervention strategies. And here some you will be using Quarium Corporation's AI based education system, which uses AI for personalized tutoring and the skill improvement. Then you have AI in manufacturing, that is transformative benefits. So here first is maintaining product supply by predicting the consumer demand. AI analyzes the market trends, customer behavior and sales data to optimize the inventory, and it will reduce the overproduction and prevents stock shortages and ensures a balanced supply chain. Then you have detection of machinery faults, where the AI powered predictive maintenance detects potential faults before failure occurs and reduces the unexpected breakdowns and increases machine lifespan and efficiency. Then you have improvement in power consumption, where the AI optimizes the energy usage by analyzing operational data and suggest energy efficient processes, and it will reduce the wastes and cost and contributes to a sustainable manufacturing ecosystem. Next is AI's transformative role in the aerospace. So here the key benefits are improving productivity in the manufacturing process, where the AI powered automation enhances aircraft production efficiency, and Airbus factory of the future, it will use AI to streamline manufacturing and improve the quality control. Then you have extracting useful data from every flight, that is the data utilization. So here AI processes massive flight data to improve the operational efficiency and the safety. And Boeing 787, it will generate huge amount of flight data, where AI will extract the critical insights for performance optimization and the predictive maintenance. Next, you have AI's transformation impact on transformation transportation. So under this, first is the self-driving cars, where the Tesla was the first automotive brand in order to launch a self-driving car using the artificial intelligence. And AI driven autonomous vehicles will improve the road safety. These will reduce the traffic congestion and enhance the fuel efficiency. Then next is assisting in accident prevention, that is AI powered collision detection and automatic braking system will help to prevent the accidents, and AI based traffic management will reduce road mishaps and optimizes vehicle movement. Then you have enhanced safety in railways, where Indian Railways utilizes artificial intelligence to secure train operations and prevent accidents, and AI based predictive maintenance will ensure that railway infrastructure will remain safe and efficient. So this was about the artificial intelligence. Thank you.